And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with the latest on the weather. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for Jamaica as Tropical Depression 18 has strengthened and is now Tropical Storm Rafael.
According to the Met Service, this means that tropical storm conditions are expected to affect Jamaica within the next 6 to 12 hours.
Now with the latest, we're now joined by our in-house meteorologist Romaine Robinson.
Thanks for joining us, Romaine. Where exactly is the tropical storm as we speak?
It's currently towards the south of the island and it is moving towards the north. We put the pace somewhere between 15 and about 17 kilometers per hour moving towards the north. And we do expect that the system will continue moving towards the north with a north-northwestward turn sometime later tonight going into tomorrow morning.
Romaine, how likely is it that this tropical storm will even further strengthen as it comes closer to Jamaica?
The projections are for the system to strengthen after it passes Jamaica. So this is after it gets past about 18.5 degrees north. Could become a hurricane at that time, and it could also be affecting the Cayman Islands as a hurricane sometime on Wednesday.
All right, so which parishes should be impacted by the rains?
Most parishes have already begun experiencing some kind of activity, but we expect the worst of the activity to be occurring along the south. The strongest winds are expected across southern parishes, especially the southwestern portion of the island. That's Westmoreland, parts of St. Elizabeth, Manchester, and parts of Clarendon as well.
What's the warning now to fisherfolk and other marine interests?
The warning had been issued earlier, I believe it was sometime on Sunday, for persons to evacuate the quays and banks. So persons should already be in safe harbor by now.
And a lot of persons want to know, when will this system move away from us?
We're giving it about 36 hours, so sometime in the morning on Wednesday we should have an all clear and the warning should be lifted.
Okay. All right.